Welcome back to Alpha Active Learning. Standard 8 English. Let's go. Topic 2.3 The Worm by Thomas Gisborne. Thomas Gisborne, born on 31st October 1758 till 24th March 1846, was an English Anglican priest and poet. He was a member of the Clapham sect who fought for the abolition of the slave trade in England. Children during those times, like how we are selling the commodities, the human being was sold like a slave. So he has fought for this a very good human cause. And today we are going to see a poetry which also emphasis on the humanity. You have observed many creatures like this. The one is dragonfly, the second is honeybee. Oh, ant might have bite you sometime. This is the earthworm, especially in the rainy season. Spider, I think everybody has one or the other time seen in the house. And the caterpillar. Now children, tell me, the moment you see all these things, what will be your response? Oh my God, you may fear. Oh shit, you don't like this. You say yuck. And somebody will be worried. And there are some naughty child, they will make fun of this, they will handle this thing. Right? So now, this is a general reaction when we see these insects. But they are also living beings like us. Do you know children, each of these insects are very useful to us. No doubt. Somebody may bite us, but the usefulness is also there. Dragonfly eats mosquitoes and flies and thus control unwanted insects, making our environment clean. Ants turns and aerate the soil and help in seed dispersal. Honeybees provide us honey and it helps in pollination. Earthworm loosens soil. He is a friend of farmer. Spider eats insects. Caterpillar gives silk thread. Now each of these insects, unless you harm them, they are not harmful to you. Right? So the poet, when I have observed this type of the insect and human behavior, a thought came in his mind and he wrote a poem, The Worm. Turn thy hasty foot aside, nor crush that helpless worm. The frame thy scornful looks deride, required a god to form. The common lord of all that move, from whom thy being flowed, a portion of his boundless love on that poor worm bestowed. Let's understand. Here the poet wants to say that turn thy means your hasty foot aside. Hasty means in hurriedly, in carelessly you are not looking and you are keeping your foot on a worm. So nor crush that helpless worm. The worm is helpless. He cannot fight with you. Even he can't see you. Right? So he is a helpless worm. The frame that scornful looks deride. Scornful means filled with hate, and deride is also express hatred. Now we have made up our mind that oh, all these insects are maybe they are harmful to us, maybe they are poisonous, maybe they bite us, or maybe oh, how ugly they are looking, they are just irritating, and you feel disgusting, you feel yuck. This is all our mind frame for this, and so we express our hatredness the moment we look them. But remember, they are also the creation of God. The common Lord of all that move. The common Lord means here the God. So the God who has created everybody that is moving, that is living. So which are they? Plants and animals. So even human being is an animal. From whom thy being flowed, a portion of his boundless love on that poor worm bestowed. So here bestowed means given as a gift. So remember, It is the blessings of God. It is a love. Boundless means a love which do not have any limit. So the way God has created you, the way God is loving you, the God has created this creature, worms and every living thing. Their life is also a gift from the God. Clear? So here children, aside, deride, worm, form, move, love, flowed, bestowed. These are the rhyming words. The sun, the moon, the stars he made, to all his creatures free, and spreads over earth the grassy blade, for worms as well as thee. Let them enjoy their little day, their lowly bliss received. Oh, do not lightly take away the life thou canst not give. What poet wants to say? Let the sun, moon and the star, everything is made up by God. To all his creature free. You are not the only person, human beings are not the only person to use this. Everything on the planet earth is available for everybody. And spreads over earth the grassy blade. You can see the greenery over there, right? Greenery on the earth. This greenery is not just for you. It is also for the worm to stay over there and to live. Let them enjoy their little day. How you have your lifespan, even they do have this. Their lowly bliss. Lowly here means humble, very simple. And the bliss means joy. Now, when they are moving, right, they are also enjoying their life. They are also having that pleasure. So, please, you don't know that they are enjoying their life and they are moving. Maybe in the search of food or maybe anything. So, do not lightly take away. It is up to you. You are not supposed to take anyone's life. Which life? The life thou cannot give. So, very big message, children. We are equal to that of all animals. Getting the birth, we all are the creation of Almighty. Now, though we are smart, we are talented, we think we are very brilliant, we are using the mountain, we are using the mines, we are using the forest, water, lake, we have created everything. But remember, everything here has all the other animal also has the same share on this planet Earth. And that's why you have no right to kill them, you have no right to harm them. Because if you do this thing, remember, if you cannot give birth, cannot give life to them, you have no right to take their life from them. So the big message is that live and let live. Let everybody live this life which is given as a beautiful gift from the creations. So that means, children, as a human being, we also should have empathy towards all the living beings. Whether the empathy is for tree, not to cut the trees, just for your selfish use. For all the animals, just we people are killing, hunting the animals, either for we can know for the ivory, for the skin, for their teeth, for their wool, for any other thing, or even just for eating also. And even the small creature, like you all know, we are getting the pearl, right? So there also people are just going deep down in the ocean, right, and getting the oysters just because we need that pearl. So you have to think here, children, if we cannot give life to anyone, we have no right to take life from them. Now in all this, both this para, you can see the rhyming words made, played, free, thee, day, away, received and give. So the rhyming scheme is AB, AB, CD, CD. The message says that every creature on the earth is created by God. We are nothing in front of God. Every life on the earth has a right to live. All the resources are for everyone. We have no right to cut short even forest also. If you cannot give life, don't take away also. Very important. And last is live and let live. So coexistence is the essence of our life. Let us live together. Let us live together with all these animals and we'll make this planet a beautiful place to stay. Right? So beauty of the earth is in coexistence. The way you carry yourself, please do care for the animals as well as the plant. Thank you very much. Hope you have liked this video. So please do like, comment and share the videos with your other students.